Hey everybody, we're back again. This time I have my lovely sister here. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna be talking about how to do makeup on more normal skin that's kind of slightly acne prone. Just a teensy bit, not as bad as mine though, trust me.
I thought it was more combination.
A little bit, but you're more normal than I am. I tend to be combination leaning oily. She tends to be just more normal in general, so she's got great skin.
I think I'm combination leaning dry.
Yeah, you do have a little bit of dry, but you do get oily in some places too. That's what combination is. So yeah, we're gonna get started. We're gonna do a lovely makeup look on Miss Leah. So now we're gonna go in with a little bit of our liquid glass from Farsali. We're just gonna use that to really hydrate the skin before we put primer on.
That was a very good advertisement.
Yes, that was a great advertisement. I'm gonna drop it into my hands. I don't believe in dropping directly onto the face.
That makes it clean, right, Emma?
Yes, it's so clean. Now we're gonna use our beloved Cover FX Gripping Primer. This is nice and sticky, and it smells weird. I'll admit it. It smells weird.
It makes me think of like an old makeup thing we used to have.
And don't do that.
Someone makes makeup.
We're just tapping it because it's very sticky, so if you tried to smear it, it wouldn't work.
It just sticks. Your hand is almost sticky.
Makes that nice sticky sound. I like this because you want a good tacky base for your makeup. So that way it doesn't look tacky, first of all. And also so that way it stays on all day. So what you're gonna notice is that your makeup is gonna stay so much better with this. Like you could do a wear test. Next we're gonna go in with our Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade Too Cool. Just gonna do
It's always been her motto.
Just gonna do a quick pump on the back of my hand. We're gonna go in with our concealer, and we're gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Affogato. Okay, so we're just gonna put this where you would naturally be highlighted. Just gonna go in with a tiny bit. We don't wanna do too much. Yes, just a clean border for me. I'm actually going to do a little reverse contour here. Get those smile lines. Just a couple dots here. And we're going to go in with our Anastasia contour stick in the shade Shadow. So now we're gonna go in with setting powder, and I'm gonna take the top row of this Hourglass Ghost Edit palette. So those top 3 powders, we're gonna swirl them all together and make a nice little setting powder for ourselves. So just like this, look up. Beautiful. This is the same powder we used in our mature skin video, just with a little different combination. Just lightly tapping that on wherever our makeup tends to kind of fall off. And this is really cool because it's not gonna look powdery. It's gonna look just very natural and just a little bit of a sheen to it to give it a skin-like finish. It's gonna look like your skin. It's not gonna look like crazy powder cake face.
That's what it is. I'm a very natural person.
Yes. And you see it just gives a nice softness. We're also gonna go in with the bronzer from this palette. And I'm just gonna use the same brush. We're gonna do the blush first. Do some blush, don't smile. I know, I used to tell you to do that all the time. That used to be the thing. You used to smile when you put your blush on, but now we don't do that.
I'm trying not to.
Don't smile.
I'm smiling. This is like one of those.
And I'm using the shade. This is Sublime Flush. This flush is sublime. Hourglass powders in your skin are just fabulous. I absolutely love this. Look at how beautiful that is. Very natural, very youthful glow. But since you have normal to dry skin, it looks so good. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this brush and we're gonna go in, I'm gonna combine these two. So we're gonna combine these two right here. Now we're gonna take our Morphe setting spray. Best setting spray on the planet. And we're just gonna mist.
I'm not ready. No warning.
I did warn you.
No, you didn't.
Okay. Look at that. Look at how good
I'm
that
traumatized.
Oh my God.
Anna thinks it's pretty funny. Oh, she's so.
Look at how pretty that looks. Like, can we just zoom in on your face?
Maybe. Can we?
Look at how good that looks. Show off the face. Show off the face. Oh, so pretty. I can't. We're gonna go in with our matte paint pot in Painterly.
Yeah.
Just take your finger, swirl it around, and we're just gonna tap this on the lids. This is the best eyeshadow primer. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
I like how nothing really feels like dry
or heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our Conspiracy palette. And you know what? We're gonna do a little paint. What do you think of paint?
Okay, that's one of my favorite colors, pink and blue.
So now we're back. We have mascara on, we did our brows, and now it is time for lips. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna try Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Santa Baby. And we're gonna go for kind of an ombre lip today. To kind of do in the center, we're gonna do the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade Romantic. So we're just gonna try to match our eye look here on our lips today. We're having fun with it. Just gonna pop a little bit of this here in the center, make a beautiful ombre. Okay. And don't worry about your lip line being perfect. You can always take some concealer on the back of your hand. Get you a little concealer brush. Just a nice flat brush like this, and you can fix your lip line. And with the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow palette, we're gonna go in with her little highlighter shade called Glow Extreme. We're gonna just set it and forget it real quick. This time we're gonna use the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray. Ready?
Maybe.
I'm just kidding, I locked it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Just to give everything a nice glow. And there you have it. Our little combined conspiracy palette look with pinks and purples. Little Jeffree Star inspired Charlotte Tilbury look. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had fun creating this look. So give it a thumbs up and
like and
stay
subscribe
tuned for the next one.